All right, so first we might not have been ready for that. Hold on a second. Okay.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
Yeah, we were actually recently involved in another event here in Atlanta where we had some fun and had some makers come in and make some things.
Eventful.
It was very eventful. I was asked early on, hey, do you guys make felt flowers? And I said, yeah.
Sure we do. Or we can figure it out.
Yeah, sure.
That's what we did.
We do.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Now we know how to make them.
Now we do.
Yeah.
So this was a lot of fun. We got to learn how to do something new ourselves, and it ended up being quite easy to teach everybody else how to do it.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we had several different varieties of options and flowers. We had flowers, we had succulents, big flowers, small flowers, roses.
Little billy balls.
Yes.
I just want to make all of these.
Today we'll also just go through the process of how we made all of the different flowers, so we'll show you that as well.
Yeah.
So first let's talk about some of the supplies that we used and where we got them from.
Yeah, I have a new affinity for felt now.
Felt, that would be the number one thing that we used for this project.
Love it.
We needed lots of felt.
Colors.
And I know you became very familiar with the specific type of felt that works best.
Yeah.
On the Cricut.
These, lucky for all of you and all of us, it's literally the 1/4 cost felt at Hobby Lobby, 25 cents. Any thicker than that was not as easy to work with. Literally the cheapest, thinnest felt seemed to fold and glue and work the best.
Yeah.
Well, let's bring this beauty out.
The mistake, or the fail.
Just, it's gonna look really pretty from where you are.
Mm-hmm.
See how pretty that is?
Oh, it's lovely.
It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. So what you can't see is all of the hot glue that's stuck to it. It actually feels very starched. So this is the stiff felt sheet. What is this, a poppy?
Or a,
It's not a poppy. That was very wrong. You can delete that.
it's like what's that flower? It's like the most carnation, maybe.
Kind of
No,
like
zinnia.
Yeah, let's call it a zinnia. This took me 40 minutes to make, which also was not going to work for our event, but also the hot glue just didn't need it.
You did use the Cricut to cut these out.
Yeah, these were free templates through Cricut, so I was able to manipulate them, just bring them into the design space and make them bigger or smaller, so we had different size roses.
We do if we don't have a Cricut.
You can print out templates so that you lay it on. You just cut a piece of paper out and then you transfer that and you just hand cut and have fun. Have fun with that.
Yeah. Let's say that you don't really care to hand cut these yourself and you don't have a Cricut.
Yes, you
There
can.
is one more option.
You can find some already cut out. I think
Actually.
some of these little baby tiny ones, I ordered a pack on Amazon. You can order them. They just come in a big old stack. They're literally already cut. The other thing that I found Amazon helpful for as well were felt colors. They were not any more expensive than they were at Hobby Lobby. I ordered this as a pack of colors called Succulent Colors. I think I ordered the purple for lavender on Amazon as well.
Now it comes to our little balls here. Those were also, I would love to say that we hand felted all of these balls, but
These are awesome.
we got these on Amazon as well.
The colors are great. They do come in brighter colors. You can get just a range of tones in each pack. Of course, we love these.
Along with flowers.
Along with flowers.
We also cut several different options and sizes for these.
At the event, we just have these kind of spread around the table by size. So if you're doing a larger flower, obviously you're going to pick the larger leaves. And we had some little tiny ones for smaller.
We had 4 different glass vases choices, and then you had your add-ins.
Yes, so along with doing these flowers, they take a little bit of time. For our event, we wanted people to sort of be able to fill their vases a little more quickly, like they were going to be in and out maybe over the course of a half hour.
So maybe they made 1 or 2, 3 flowers, but then they wanted it to
So
look
we
like
wanted some
more.
filler. The dried eucalyptus is absolutely beautiful and it's floofy. They smell so good. They fill the vase nicely and they kind of bulk it up a little bit. I also found these ribbon section at Hobby Lobby.
Just on the garland.
Yeah, like a garland. So I snipped these. I took time just to snip them into lengths, and there were 4 different colors that they could add in
Springy.
as well.
Beads and rocks.
Beads and rocks.
For the bottom of the jar.
You need water in the bottom of your flowers. Just feels good.
It does.
Yeah, these are really great. You can get these in the floral department. They come in a couple of different shades of green. These are your stems.
That takes care of the flowers, and then the only different thing that we have for the succulents was really the base.
Just a little wooden base. You could stain this if you wanted to. We left a natural just to give it a little bit of a base.
This was just a Dollar Tree item, and you can get the foam at Dollar Tree too, or
You can.
any of the craft stores.
Voila.
So
Yay.
why don't we take all of these and we will show you a few videos of how we put them together.
Let's do it.
All right, enjoy.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more in the searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grass is green and so alive. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Just begun, yeah, yeah. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.